So, after looking at all those gorgeous, pop, push, play ads of the Fab 5 in 1 lipstick by Rene, I thought I'll order one for myself. Again, it is not so pricey for a lipstick that provides you like 5 different shades in just one this thing. And let's check swatches. वो बचपन में वो पेन पेंसिल हुआ करती थी, ये मुझे उसकी याद दिलाती है. रियली नाइस. लेट्स ओपन इट. एक बहुत ही अच्छे से पैकेज होके आती है. सो देयर इज़ अ बॉक्स एंड द बॉक्स हैज़ दिस outer this thing cover which is tightly packed, and then inside is the 5-in-1 lipstick, but again as you can see usko bhi bahut tightly packed hai, so I'll remove it and I'll get back. So yeah, I'm gonna show you all the swatches for this particular Rene Fab 5 lipstick. As you all can see, they have some really pretty shades. Okay, there is a little dark pink, almost maroon. There is burgundy or berry flavored, berry shaded, sorry, and there's a tinge of earth pink, and there is orangish, and then there's coral. So let's see. It's like a really cool lipstick, and I think for 750 this is an amazing purchase, because you get like 5 different shades, and you don't need to carry like 5 separate lipsticks whenever you're traveling.
ये क्या कर रही हो?
Oh god, मैंने तो मुझे यही दिखाना था. So he's come. Let's see how it
क्या है
looks.
क्या है ये?
Guess करो क्या है ये.
मेरा हाथ गीला है.
हाँ, okay, wipe it first.
अबे ये लिपस्टिक है. ये पेन पेंसिल वाली लिपस्टिक है.
Dude, this is so cute. संभाल के करना उसको.
तेरे लिए कितना फैसिनेटिंग होगा ना.
सवाल ही नहीं है. तो गेस तो करो पहले कितने की रहेगी है. और हाउ डिड यू लाइक इट? बट तुमको क्या लगा? मतलब
बच्चों जैसी है देखिए.
कॉल इट बच्चों जैसी यार.
मेरे को बच्चा आई
See, before starting, I just want to tell you all one thing. I am no makeup artist, or I'm not a pro at makeup or anything. This is just strictly informative. Ki if someone is looking to buy, and if they want to know how the lipstick is, or how it looks on skin tone like mine, um, they can actually get like a review from me, and based on that they can decide if they wish to buy it or not. So this is no makeup vlog or makeup and beauty vlog or something like that. No, it's just a generic review of the product that I personally like, and I guess it's a must have for many girls, I'm sure. So let's start. First I'm gonna start with this one, the first shade. Okay, this is coral, and I'll show you all how it looks. Okay, so before I forget to mention, all the lip shades or all the swatches that I'm trying, uske pehle I have a foundation base on my lips. So what you are seeing is the effect of putting a lip shade after the foundation, and obviously it is recommended if you want the lip shade बहुत शो करके आए अच्छे से आपके लिप पर, और अच्छे से एनहांस होकर आए, तो people recommend, makeup artists recommend to use a foundation beneath, and you all can use moisturizers as well if you all have dry lips. Also for people with thin lips, can make use of lip liners. I personally am not too much into makeup, तो मैं lip liners वगैरह नहीं यूज़ करती. Also I don't think I have thin lips. I think I have medium. Anyway, for people who use lip liners, can apply the base, the foundation before, and then just line your lips with a similar colored, जो भी shade आप use कर रहे हैं उस color का lip liner. If you have, just line your lips, outline them with a lip liner, and then fill in with the lipstick. Okay, so this is the first shade. and this is Lil Coral, and looks very nice. I guess it's gonna be a very nice day shade, and if you apply it a little darker and with some dark kohl and eye makeup or whatever, it'll also turn out to be a very nice evening shade. Um, Secondly, the lipstick is not drying at all. I personally have dry lips, but the lipstick isn't drying. It's creamy and very smooth in terms of application. And yeah, that's about it. So I'm done with the first shade, and now I'm gonna just show you all. Just have to pop it and then push it from beneath and then play with a lip shade. So this is a nice dark pink, almost a berry shaded lip swatch, and this is one of my personal favorites because this goes mostly with all outfits. You wear white, you wear black, you wear beige shaded, you wear gray, even with most of my saris. So I personally love this lip shade, and yeah, let's move on to the next one. Also, this is a very Indian shade, so it has a very Indian touch to it. It'll look very nice on fair tones, of course, but it looks equally nice on dusky and wheatish tones because I am wheatish, and personally, for me, I think this just gives a very nice tinge to your lip, and it's a perfect evening wear. Moving on to the next shade. So you just pop, push. I have to be like really careful. I don't want to break my lipstick. And play. So I'm gonna be using this one now. So this is again a very pretty shade. It's a perfect day wear. You can again mostly carry it off with all your outfits. A nice summery shade this is. So I really like this one. Okay, so next I'm gonna be using this one. So this one is more like a very berry sort of a shade. Okay, so it has this nice purple tinge to it, but I would call it the burgundy family, burgundy maroon, and towards a little bit of purplish. Um, Pretty shade, and it's a winter shade, by the way, winter or fall shade, and again one of my really favorite shades. I love loud lip colors because I feel that because I only play into kajal and lipsticks, so that's the only sort of makeup I wear. So precisely why I love loud lip shades. They just make your lip stand out, and uh, I think they just change your look entirely. A nice lip shade can actually make or break your look. That's what I feel, and I really like this one. Okay, moving forward to the last shade of the day, and it's gonna be this one. So this one is a nice deep red, okay, almost like crimson red, and again a loud lip shade, a fall shade, fall color, and the same goes for all the shades. They're all really moisturizing and not drying at all. Still, for people with dry lips, I would recommend, if you all use a moisturizer before applying your lipsticks, please do. So yeah, that was it with the lip swatch or the lipstick review for the Rene Fab 5 in 1, and I hope you all really like it and appreciate it. And also जिनको भी अगर लेनी है and they're looking for reviews, this is again my personal opinion. Do not take me under a makeup or a beauty blogger, because I'm not. So I feel all the lip shades in this particular Fab 5 lipstick are really nice, and I'm glad I don't have to choose from, oh मुझे इनमें से कोई पसंद नहीं आया, because personally I liked all of them, and all of these are the kind of shades that I normally wear and I normally look forward to wear. So for me it's been a total steal deal. I personally very good purchase.